Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 10 Sacco management system in Laravel 10. This is my channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's start this video 10. First of all, this my gem server already started Apache and MySQL. Let's run localhost PHP my admin. Successfully working good. This my gem server, inside this htdoc folder inside this Sacco project. This already my Sublime text editor. Open this Sacco project. Let's .env file this, run this URL and this run localhost Sacco project. This path is available Sacco project localhost, and this database name is a copy this database name and find this database name is available Sacco. Inside this copy, open this user table and this copy admin@gmail.com. password is 123456 and click this staff. Inside this add staff is available. Click this add staff. Inside this step by step, this is all validation set. Let's start. First of all, this copy this route, otherwise this file is found. This view inside admin inside this staff, inside this available add. Let's open this file is available. Let's copy this URL is available. This URL copy and route inside web.php file. Open and this found in this post method. This post method is available. Let's copy this name staff controller, app http controller and staff controller. Add post. Let's validation is add. This file is a validation step by step include the surname, mobile number. Let's first of all this mobile number is this is working good, not is available. Let's only number is add. Let's validation. First of all this mobile number validation. Let's output this paste here input and this validation. Let's writing this JavaScript and this maximum height, width and all set. Let's writing this call, this output, this code. Please writing this step by step this code. Maximum length 110. Let's save file and refresh this page. Not a refresh this page. This is not available. Only this number is available. Good working. Let's ABC. Any name is not working. Only this add. Good working. This validation is a number validation is a good working. This available. This all is a replaced. This length is a available. This only number is a set. Let's save file inside this validation add. Copy this variable number user save is equal to request validate. Inside this add, first name is this name is a compulsory required. This compulsory is a required first name. Second is a last name is a optional. Surname is a required and the surname is a required. This is a optional. This last name is a optional. Email is a compulsory required, but this unique email ID insert, not a different ID is a insert, not a same ID insert. Less table name is a open. This table name, this is a unique ID is add, not a same ID. This one is a same, this two is a same, not a insert, only different ID is add. Let's copy this name, copy user unique. Unique means alag, different, not a same ID insert. User dot this table name is this Laravel by default name. Let's copy this email. This field is a email field. Successfully set. This is a compulsory required, but this is a unique ID. This is different set. Second is a mobile number is a optional, not a compulsory. this is a not a validation. By this is a not a compulsory, this is a compulsory, is a role, is a compulsory, is a required. This is a required. Only shared this required. Profile picture, this is profile picture is a optional. This is a compulsory required. 1, 2 and 3 and 5. 4 is a compulsory required. Let's add. This is a required. Inside this is a required. Copy this compulsory name, surname, email, mobile number is not a required, but validation is a good working. This upload, this is a role is a required, this compulsory required. Let's save file. Let's refresh this page and click this submit. This syntax error, this value save, this is a syntax error, is equal to is a good $. This is a my default, this close this is a missing. Successfully refresh this page, but not a error. Let's submit. Successfully fill this input. Let's different, this name is a add. The second is this is a optional, this is a optional but not a highlight. Surname is a add. This is a compulsory is a add. This compulsory is a add. gmail.com. This mobile number is a this all, this is a save. This is user is a database not connected. Let's roll this user. Let's email. Back button, click this database connection is not config. Let's save. Let's check this route if this is available. Good. Let's refresh this page, save, and this page, this file is a upload, and this date is a compulsory required and submit. Let's user is a not config. Let's check this is a missing. This problem is a required unique email. User email, this is a not a good working. Let's check this. Why this is a fault is a this is a email is a not a add. Let's only by default this user table successfully set. This is a good working. Let's back button, click this and refresh this again page, and this only record. Refresh this page, only this 5 record is a show. Let's refresh this first name is a click this is a highlight. This is a required is a high. This name is a optional. Let's this optional is a not a good. Let's surname is a compulsory sir. This email is a compulsory. This email @gmail.com. Mobile is a optional. Let's check this. Select this multiple call this ID role means selected. This required. Let's add this required this role. This remove form. Input value is a Sacco user is a required, is a role is a required. Let's copy this name. This by default name. Select menu role is a remove, and this successfully share this example, and this selected by default. This is a value is a null. Let's value save. Let's refresh this page and refresh this page. Successfully refresh. Let's add submit. Successfully this click. Good working, not a error. This is a compulsory required. This staff is a select 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 is a compulsory required. Let's select this is a not a compulsory required. This is optional and click this submit. Successfully submit and record is a show. This is a record is a insert. Good working. This not a compulsory. This value is a select. Let's again this add. In this different, this is the email ID, same is the email ID. Copy this email ID and this same is a paste here. Let's paste. This is a optional name. This surname is a add, and this is optional image. This optional, and this is admin staff is select. This is a not a insert. This is a blank, but this is a not a insert. Let's error is a show. This is a only this one only second. This is a not a add. Let's again this copy copy and this paste and submit successfully. This is not a redirect and not a insert. This is a good, only this is not an insert. Let's step by step this error is a show. Inside this error, let's implement this error, only single error. Let's already include this register file. Inside this already include this message. This message, copy this message and paste here. Successfully paste. Let's again this copy this same email, this copy and submit this file, this optional name, this add, this same email id is a add, and this role is a implement admin. Inside this is a available. This message is a good working, this taken. Let's copy inside this paste here. Let's paste. Let's copy this email and paste here. This paste in this is required is available, this is required. This compulsory stop and submit. This is a compulsory required. List all value select value old. This is a not a blank old. Inside this name same is a copy this name, copy and paste here. This is a name, last name. This same is a copy and all value is a select, not a blank page. Let's same is a copy this copy and name is a email. Good working. Last is a number is a all is a remove. This is a not a find. This profile is a remove, but that is a remove. Good working. Let's refresh this page and this submit data. This submit data. Inside this email again this copy email and this is a not a remove. This old value is a as it is. Let's submit. This is a old value is a good already selected. This email id is a taken. Let's different email id is a add this 999. This name is a first name last name and this role is a staff. This different email id submit. Successfully submit this different email id. Good working. This good working. Let's successfully this different id is a same is a find this insert. Good. Next is a role. This taken is a good working. This remember token is a insert in this remember token. Open this remember token is a add this copy this name inside this paste is equal to this remember token, otherwise is a not a good. Remember token. This copy this is a blank, copy this remember token and paste here and this str to random this add. Let's remember token is a add. Let's refresh this page and this is a by default is a blank is a only insert. This by default is a black only insert. Let's click this add stop and this save in this name is a error solution surname else this different email. This only validation is a add, only number is a add, only 10 number is a add. Validation in image is upload and this but that is a add. Select this calendar and this role is stop and submit. Successfully add and refresh this page. This remember token is a by default is a random create. Good working. This but that is a available. This mobile number is a good. This is a optional. This optional. This optional. This optional. Profile picture is the optional. Biodata is optional. This password. This all this validation is a successfully. This validation is a unique. Email ID. This str token. This route and this writing. This all messages are add. This different messages are add. Writing this all code. This register means this add blade PSP file is a include. This writing this error message all successfully. This step by step guide successfully set. Let's next is a available. This password is a random create. This new is a random is a password is a random create. Staff controller password is a random create. Dollar request password. This password is only request. Inside this password is a show. This password is a password request. Variable new create. This variable dollar random password. This random password is a create. Otherwise this is not good. Let's copy this request. Copy name, same name is a copy. Dollar user. Let's find this, click this add. And this password is a not create, and this random password is a only 6 digit, otherwise not a add. Let's remove this 6 digit is a password is a mail set. This next video, this password is a mail set, and this login screen, this email inside this upload, and this random password is a next screen. Next video is a set. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. This validation is a good. Thank you.